Hi Nikki, this is part 2 of the video. So we were on the outcome. The outcome card, as you see, is the star card. Now you see a person, a female, on the bank of a river or a lake like thing, and the water, she has two pots in her hand. The water, she's watering the earth as well as the water. Now the water denotes the soul and the earth denotes the body. So she is watering both of them, and the outcome is very positive. You see all these stars in the sky, and one of the stars is shining very brightly and is on the top of the female's head. And the female is sitting on the bank of the river, totally exposed, and she is feeling very bountiful, and there's a lot of hope in the situation. There's a lot of hope in the situation, and the timeline as we see it, is going to be anywhere between 10 to 16 months. In 10 months, or from 10 to 16 months, you're going to reach full union or full reunion with Joey. So the outcome is very pleasant. And then I pulled some more cards. And in the end I will go over all your questions again. These are the cards for how Joey feels for you right now. You see, you got the Lovers card and the Page of Cups. Now Joey sees you as this person. Now what does this mean? That how does he view you? He views you as a young energy. Like, I don't know about your age. This does not denote the age. You could be an older person or a younger person and still have young energy. So he sees you as a very young energy, who is very bright, and who is always ready to, ready to give love. You see, there's a cup in the hand of this female, and a fish is coming out of the cup, and looking towards the female. So he sees you as a person who has a lot of love to give, and a very young energy, a very stable energy. This is how he views you. And he also sees that with you he has a decision to make. Now the Lovers is also typically denotes like two lovers. He sees you as two lovers. And this is a universe on the top, and the universe has created this for you. Just like the universe created it for Adam and Eve. So again, this is a confirmation for your twin flame journey, using this deck particularly. So he views you as the Lovers, and he also sees that there is a choice that needs to be made. He possibly has other people in his life, and he knows that, he knows that he has to make a choice in you, and then only this can go forward. And this is how he feels for you. And what you need to do at this time, you were asking me what you need to do, or what he wants you to do. We cannot focus on this thing, what he wants you to do, because that is totally irrelevant, and I don't even entertain such questions doing my readings, because you are the most important person in your life, and we are not concerned about how anybody else wants you to, do something or not do something. In the twin flame journey, if you work on your own self, the other twin is going to come into alignment automatically. That is why we say that inner work or shadow work is very important. And whoever is the spiritual twin, or whoever is the twin who knows that this is the twin flame journey, in your case Joey doesn't even know that you are twin flames, and he's just complying out of love for you. So you have to do all the inner work, Nikki. And then the good part is that even if one twin does the inner work, it affects the other, and it affects the total twin flame journey. So what are you supposed to do? I pulled another set of cards for what are you supposed to do. What you're supposed to do is behave like the Queen of Swords. Now the Queen of Swords is a lady, empress, with a lot of mental ideas, a lot of mental activity, and a lot of intelligence, and she can apply that intelligence to her life. So in this twin flame journey, you have to be the intelligent one. You have to be the person who takes the lead, and you have to behave like a queen who can summon. She's summoning people with her hand. You have to be the queen who summons people with her hand, and who gains all the power. You see a lot of power in the queen, who gains a lot of power with mental ideas, and then she can summon. And also you got the Tower card. Now what this means that you need to do, you need to shake things up a bit. You need to gain your knowledge. You need to gain your knowledge, and with your spiritual knowledge, or with the spiritual awakening that you will get, the epiphany, you should shake things up a bit between you and Joey. Now when I pulled some more cards, you know, for you and Joey, this is what I get. So this is Joey, you know. So when I pulled cards, Joey was the King of Pentacles here, which means that a man with stable financial resources, and a man who he is like a king. And I got the 9 of Pentacles for you. You also don't have any lack in financial resources even right now, you know. And you are this luxurious woman. You want to live this lifestyle, or you're already living this nice lifestyle. You see how smug this female is looking, and Joey came out as the King of Pentacles. So both of you as a couple are quite complementary, you know, to each other. You see, it's the king, and this is sort of the queen, you know. She's very luxurious and abundant life she's leading, you know. And then when I also again got the 2 of Cups for you, which again confirms the twin flame relationship, and the Lovers card also. So you got the Lovers plus the 2 of Cups. Now this, you see, this man and woman, they're totally complementary for each other. And again, there's the universal force on the top. You know, this is the medicinal force, and you two are exchanging cups of love, you know, and they're equal in size. So you have been blessed by the universe, and you are like 2 of Cups, or the Lovers, you know. This denotes a twin flame partnership. And you also see the house in the background, you know. So both of you are going to reunite. You're going to reunite between again between 10 to 16, 17 months. The reunion is going to happen, the full reunion, and you are going to become this couple, you know. And for that, you need to have a lot of strength, Nikki. You need to have a lot of strength. You need to get the spiritual epiphany or spiritual transformation. A lot of spiritual transformation has already occurred in you, and you need to get out of this situation to this situation, having a lot of strength, so that you can reach this situation, you know. And I also got the Empress card for you, Nikki. So you are going to have this home. You see the home in the background. You see the home in the background. You're going to have this home with Joey, and this is a lady who is pregnant, you know. This is a lady who's pregnant, and she's the Empress. You are going to, this is going to be replaced by this, you know. Joey is the King of Pentacles, and this is you right now. Right now also you are very luxurious and abundant life, you know. But this is going to be replaced by the Empress. You are going to become the Empress in this scenario. You are going to have a happy union with Joey, a home, a family home. You see the home also in the background. And he's going to be the King of Pentacles, and you are going to be the Empress. And you are also going to possibly be pregnant and have childbirth, you know. So this was the reading for you, Nikki. I'm showing you the cards all over again, and you can go over the entire video to like get hold of each and every card again. And now I'm just going to go over, I'm just going to focus on this card, because this has confirmed our twin flame union again, and I've given you the timelines and how he feels, and you know, his fears and everything. So I'm going to go over each question again. What things does he feel that I could improve on? Again, I told you that we don't have to focus on what things he thinks. I've already given you this thing, that you need to increase your mental ideas and behave after the spiritual awakening happens. You will increase your mental ideas, and you need to shake things up a bit. What are his fears about us as a union? His fears are this thing, that you need more financial stability, and he feels the same way, and he feels the same way for you, that both of you need more financial stability, you know. What are his fears about us as individuals? His fears particularly about you, are you going from this stage to this stage, you know. He wants you to like, you know, open your eyes and see the situation for what it is. It's a happy situation, and you need to get out of this thinking, this kind of thinking, and gain your spiritual, you know, transformation. So this is what he fears, you know, and he wants. Is he willing to open up about me? Yes, he will open up. The Star outcome card, as I told you, in 10 to 16 months you will have a full reunion, and you'll also have a lot of communications in between, because it has been confirmed you're a twin flame couple and he feels this thing about you. So definitely he's going to open up, he is going to open up. And then in what ways will we come closer in 3D, and when will I get to? You will get to be with him in fully in 10 to 16 months. But before that, you'll always have like small honeymoon like periods and stuff like that. But the final reunion is what I'm talking about, 10 to 16 months or 17 months. And then how will you be brought closer with this transformation happening, the spiritual transformation, the spiritual awakenings, and the final epiphany or the final awakening? The universe will plan. See, the hand is coming out of the universe. The universe is going to plan your 3D meets. So we cannot give you an idea how the 3D meets are going to happen, but the universe is definitely going to plan those 3D meets, and then the final reunion is going to happen in 10 to 16 months. What things should I focus on for my own growth? So Nikki, you are a confirmed twin flame couple. You see these two cards, you are a confirmed twin flame couple now, and I've told you that before in your previous readings also, and it comes up again and again. So you need to go from the King of Pentacles to this abundant lady to being the King of Pentacles and the Empress, both of you, Joey and you. So you need to do a lot of inner work, Nikki. A lot of inner work is required, so that one twin is totally aligned, so that with the alignment, the other twin comes into total alignment. So for that inner work, sessions are available, and sessions are particularly designed for personally for each client, whatever work they require, and body scans and chakra work and twin flame merge meditations are required. And you can take a session, and I can give you the details of a session. The sessions are done on audio, Skype or phone calls. So this was your reading, and it is a very favorable outcome. I told you it's a very favorable outcome with the star card. A lot of hope. This is one of the best cards in the deck. And again, like how he feels about you. So I have gone over all of your questions one by one, and also given you full details in the Celtic cross and the and 9 other cards that I pulled for you, besides the Celtic cross. So I hope this answers all your questions, and thank you so much. And I believe you should take your package of sessions very soon. Each session can be placed at a difference of 1 week each, and I hope all of the viewers who are watching it now know how a follow-up reading is. It has all the timelines and whatever questions you want to get answered. So any person who requires a personal private romance reading or twin flame reading like this one, this was just a follow-up. You should see my previous twin flame readings to know what a level 1 power and level 2 power reading is. So let me know if you require a reading, folks, and just put a comment below the video or contact me on Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much.